Alright YouTube, so it's the first track day of 2021. It's a bit miserable. It's raining this morning, though it's starting to dry out. But it's looking very grey, so I wouldn't be surprised if there was a bit more rain. I did half a session, which got red flagged. And luckily I got straight back out. Typically the first one I didn't record, so I started recording the second one and then just stuck in traffic all the time. So couldn't get a clean lap. Now the current session's red flagged. I think up at Quarry Corner, I think I saw the digger going up there to fix the barriers. So I'm gonna try a few different camera views, or a couple of different camera views. I'm gonna try one from my seat over there. I might try and mount one to the passenger window as well, rather than just sort of like where you put your dash cam. So yeah, that second session, the tyres started to give up and it was just sliding all over the place. I had a little moment going into, I think it's called Tower Corner, went a little bit sideways there. Yeah, I decided to come in and let the tyres cool down. So it's nice to get out in the Beamer again, although part of me would like to be out on the track in the FN2, although it's nowhere near, well, it's not at all track ready. So yeah, that's going to take a lot more work, brakes at least, before I'd even attempt to go on the track with it. I've seen a couple of Civics here, maybe I think one FN2, but I think it's a support car, or EP3s. We'll take a little wander around and have a look at some cars, see what's about. Another red flag. Someone's dumped a load of oil or coolant, I think. It catches me out a bit. It went a bit slippy going into the S's. I managed to get a 126.0. Just can't quite get into the 125s. I think I'm starting to reach the limit of the car as it is. Some nice semi-slicks, that'll probably knock a couple of seconds off, I reckon. If only I were rich. So I think I'm actually starting to reach the limit with this car. I reckon I could do a 125, a low 125 on a good lap. So I need to try and think of a way of gaining some lap time without spending loads of money on like a M3 rear end with LSD and a new set of wheels with some semi-slicks. So I think the plan is to polybush the rear trailing arm and then maybe a bit more weight reduction, and then play around with the alignment and maybe the dampers, see if we can squeeze a bit more time out of it. So as usual, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and comment and all that jazz. Also go and make sure you subscribe to Dino Days and Cowbunga Car Diaries, Robster VTech, Limitations, and a great channel I started watching which is Yard Speed 13. So yeah, go and check those guys out and subscribe. So yeah, see you on the next one. Cheers.